Hi! Sumiyak ulit. Hello! Rainy days are back, and for this cold weather, we want to enjoy our favorite Filipino snack, Champurado.
Yes, and it's easy to make. It only has two primary ingredients, which is tablea and normally rice, but we're gonna replace it with Adlai rice this time para healthier.
Yeah, and what's even special is for these two main ingredients, it will be coming from our local farming communities. Here in the Philippines, so local produce. So our Adlai is Inday Adlai, coming from our community, farming community in Bukidnon.
Yeah, and Choco Loco is supporting local farmers from the Davao region.
Great, so let's show them how easy to make Champurado.
Yes. Ayun, after 1 hour, ready na ating champurado. First time namin parehong magluto ng champurado. It shows na it's really easy to cook. Okay, tikman na natin.
Yeah.
Excited na ako. Nilagyan na pala namin ng condensed milk, as you've seen earlier.
Actually, hindi mo mapapansin na Adlai siya instead of normal rice. Masarap din. And then, ang rich nung tablea chocolate flavor. Very good. I also suggest, if you want more chocolate flavor, meron ding choco nibs yung Choco Loco. And let's try it out.
Parang gusto ko rin yan. Ano? Mas chocolateier.
Mas chocolate.
Parang may crunchy. May different texture. So makita nyo, yun, nandito rin yung Choco Loco roasted cacao nibs. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng honey. Ito yung kondensada namin. So yun, and meron din kaming pinipare na tuyo, which
My
is
favorite pair with the Champurado. So, dried tuyo, in oil siya. And then you can just add it onto your Champurado.
Alright, sige. Continue to support local farmers. You can get Inday Adlai and Choco Loco from thegoodstore.ph.
Keep warm!
Alright, see you guys.
Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.